We will move on to the second article, that is the hole in the middle. The Physics Nobel celebrates both theoretical work and observational studies. So, the Physics Nobel studies both theoretical work and observational work. This year's, so what the there will be certain Nobel prizes given. So for this one, for this Nobel Prize, they are going to this is for observation and theoretical. This year's Nobel Prize in Physics awards studies that established the existence of black holes. They are going to give Nobel Prize this year for about the studies about the black holes. It celebrates theoretical work as much as it does dedicated observation. So this one celebrated theoretical work and also observation. Andrea Ghez is only its fourth woman recipient. Roger Penrose, now at Oxford, who gets half the prize, ingeniously used the mathematics in 1960s to theorize under what conditions black holes must form. So they used some mathematical calculations to know under what conditions are black holes going to form. So ingeniously means in a clever manner, original and inventive manner. Children's rooms were ingeniously designed to promote learning. Okay, so and the next one is, this was a time when the reality of black holes as a solution to Albert Einstein's field equations of the general theory of relativity was not accepted by many prominent physicists. So prominent means well known. So who said the theory of relativity? Theory of relativity was proposed by Albert Einstein, but many of the prominent scientists, many of the well-known scientists are not accepting with his theory. Okay, and within a couple of months after Einstein proposed his general theory of relativity in 1915, Carl Schwarzschild published a solution to the field equations that exhibited, what is meant by exhibited? Exhibited singularities. Exhibited means show, reveal, display, manifest. He frequently exhibits at the art gallery. Okay, and the next one is or points where physical quantities grew infinitely large or vanished. Vanished means disappear, fade away. Okay, and the next one is, today this is understood as the event horizon, the point of no return beyond which even light cannot escape the black hole's gravitational attraction. So it is even understood today that even the light cannot escape the gravitational power of black holes. And the next, while more solutions were found to Einstein's equation that suggested black holes, they all required special symmetries, and their realization under general astrophysical conditions was doubtful. Okay, what is meant by symmetries? Symmetries is nothing but regularity, uniformity, consistency. That is the meaning of symmetries. Many types of triangles are symmetry. Okay, and next we'll move on. Where are we? Penrose, through the singularity theorems, identified the formation of trapped surfaces as the conditions for the formation of black holes in a generic manner. In this climate came observational hints of supermassive black holes and supermassive black holes. Through the discovery of what were initially called quasars that were supermassive and found at the center of galaxies. The other half of the prize is jointly awarded to Reinhard Genzel at the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics, Garching, Germany, and Professor Guess of the UCLA, US, for showing that the dense region in the center of a galaxy, the Milky Way, is indeed a black hole. Okay. Towards the end of the 1960s, it was clear that the region named Sagittarius occupies the center of the Milky Way, which is about 26,000 light years away. Around this, all stars in the galaxy orbit. In the 1990s, when telescopes and equipment were developed that could tackle this distance, Professor Genzel and Professor Guest set up independent groups to explore this region. So when this region had come, these two professors by themselves they formed groups, and to why did they form? To explore more about that region. Okay. They built unique instruments and pursued research from very large telescope in Chile and the Keck Observatory Hawaii respectively. For 3 decades, the group tracked nearly 30 stars, in particular one named S2 or S02. The star's orbit has been nearly completely tracked. These stars followed elliptical, means oval shape, elliptical Keplerian orbits, which can only imply a central concentrated massive object, a supermassive black hole. Thus, the price of strings together theoretical research from the 1960s, driven by conviction. Conviction is nothing but sentence, judgment, a firm belief or opinion. Okay. A 3-decade-long observation that started in the 1990s, it reiterates. Reiterate means restate, retell, repeat. It reiterates that in the pursuit of truth, time is but a twinkle. This was all about the hole in the middle. And I hope every one of you have understood this article, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.